In this video, you'll learn how to install and log into Sugar Connect, an email client add-in that lets you work with your Sugar data directly from Outlook without leaving your inbox. Sugar Connect is compatible with Outlook on the web and the Outlook desktop app for Office 365 users. It is included with new purchases of Sugar Cell Premier, Cell Advanced, and Enterprise Plus, and can also be purchased as an add-on for Sugar Serve and Sugar Enterprise. Prerequisites. Before installing and logging into Sugar Connect, your administrator must add you as a user. You'll receive an invitation email when this occurs. Additionally, please ensure the following. Third-party cookies are not blocked in your web browser. Third-party browser extensions or Office 365 admin settings are not interfering with the installation process. If you're having trouble launching or installing Sugar Connect, disable any connectors that are known to be incompatible. You can find a list of these connectors in the supplemental materials linked in the video description. Installation steps. To install Sugar Connect. 1. Open Outlook on your Windows desktop or sign in to your Office 365 account online. 2. Click the More Apps icon in the Outlook toolbar, then select Add Apps in the pop-up window. 3. In the App Store, search for Sugar Connect. 4. Click the Sugar Connect tile, then click Add. 5. If prompted, review and accept the privacy policy, terms of use, and required permissions. Once installation is complete, return to your inbox. Open any email message. Click the More Apps icon inside the message window. Select the Sugar Connect app, then click it again to open the sidebar. Tip: pin the sidebar open for quicker access in the future. You can now access Sugar Connect from both the web and desktop versions of Outlook. Click the Login button in the Sugar Login section of the sidebar. Follow the authentication process for your organization. This may involve Sugar Identity, Single Sign-On, SSO, Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA, or a combination of these methods. When prompted, click Allow Access to grant Sugar Connect permission to access your Sugar data. Once logged in, you're ready to start using Sugar Connect. You now know how to install and log in to Sugar Connect for Outlook. For more information, refer to the supplemental resources linked in the video description. Thanks for watching.